Hi children, good morning to all. My name is Radhika. I am your science teacher. Now I sing one song. Are you happy? Ready? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. What is this? This is pineapple. Wow, yummy, yummy, tasty. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. What is this? This is banana. Banana, wow, yummy, tasty. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. What is this? This is watermelon. We like this watermelon. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. What is this? This is orange. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. What is this? This is pumpkin. What is this? This is a vegetable. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins. Fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Okay, students. See the vegetables. See, students. See the table. What is here? Yeah, vegetables and fruits. Fruits and vegetables gives us healthy to our body. What are the fruits are here? These watermelon, pumpkin, pomegranate, orange, mango, cucumber. These fruits gives fit to our body. Next, these are vegetables. We like these vegetables. Greeny vegetables are here. What is this? These are cauliflower. This is carrot. This is radish and beans, brinjal, potato and pumpkin, and this is tomato. Okay, these are vegetables. These vegetables are gives vitamins to our body. These vitamins protect our body from diseases. Can you understood, students? Now we learn some fruits and vegetables here. Yeah, today I am presenting the topic is food we eat. We eat all the foods. Actually, this lesson for common syllabus for first standard and second standard. So dear first standard and second standard students, listen the class carefully. What lesson we will learn now? Our lesson is food we eat. Why do we eat food? Yeah, food gives us energy and grow to our body, and food gives strong and healthy to our body. That's why we eat food, and more important is food gives us energy. That energy is used to make many work, and we can do many activities. So finally, food makes us fit and healthy, and we can do lot of activities. So see the board. Food classified into 3 types. First one is body building food. Second one is energy giving food. And third one is productive food. So 3 types of food present. Okay. Now I explain first one, body building food. Body building food. Body build our body. Which nutrients build our body? Yeah. Carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are nutrients. These nutrients makes our body fit and healthy. So now first we learn about that body building food. Body building food. Very good example, protein food. Proteins build up our body. Proteins repair our damaged parts. Now some examples of body building food I show you now. See the board. This food is called body building food. For example, eggs, chicken, beef, fish, soya beans, quinoa seeds, milk, cheese, oysters and almonds. These are body building food. Body building food means protein food. Proteins gives our body fit. Then next one is energy giving food. What are the foods gives energy to our body? For example, sugar, fat items, carbohydrate and fats gives energy to our body. What are the carbohydrate items? Potato, sugar, cheese, ghee. These items are gives energy to our body. And one more example, very most example is rice. Rice, wheat. This is gives energy to our body. So very important is energy giving food. Energy. We do many work. How we do the work? We need energy. So energy giving foods is very important food in our life. Next one is productive food. These food items protect our body from diseases. We have many diseases. So the disease affect our body. So doctors advised you should eat fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables gives us healthy and protect our body. Already we learned fruits and vegetables. You can eat these fruits and vegetables, our life is become happy. Next one is raw food. Raw food without cooked food. Raw food means we can eat without cook. What are the things we can eat without cook? Carrot we can eat easily. Next beetroot. Next cucumber. These vegetables we can eat without cook. See the board and raw food pyramids given here. First one is leafy greens. We can eat some greens without cook. For example, mint, coriander, that means kottamalli, podina, we can eat without cook. Next one is fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables we can eat without cook. These foods are called raw food. Next, sprouts and legumes. That is very important food to our body. Why? Because this gives proteins to our body. Sprouted seeds, for example, groundnut seeds. Next, green seeds, that is green grams, black grams. These we can make it sprout and we can eat. These fruits is which gives us rich to our body. Sprouted and legumes. Sprouts and legumes gives protein to our body. Next one is nuts and seeds. We can eat easily nuts. Do you like nuts? Cashew nuts, almond, and next walnuts. We can eat raw. Do you like nuts? Seaweeds, nutritional yeast. This is for higher class. So don't want. Now we learn raw foods. First one is greens, second one is fruits and vegetables, and third one sprout and legumes. This is makes our body fit and healthy. I am teaching food lesson. Food is very important. Per day, how many times we take food? Yeah, 3 times. Morning is breakfast, afternoon lunch, and third one is dinner. So, we can take 3 times food per day. So, the food has nutrients. What are the nutrients has that food? First one is carbohydrate, second one is protein, third one is vitamins, fourth one is minerals, last one is fats. We can eat all kinds of nutrients per day. First one is breakfast. Breakfast is very important to our body. Why breakfast is very important? Night time dinner. When you take dinner, I think 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Okay. And next, breakfast. When you take breakfast in the morning. So, dear students, night 9 o'clock to morning 8 o'clock. So, we are giving long gap to that. We are taking food. We are giving long gap to that. So, we are giving break to the food. So, that's why we called morning food is breakfast. We are long gap to the dinner to the morning food. Can you understand the meaning? Breakfast. Why we called breakfast? We are long gap to the night dinner to morning food. So, this is called breakfast. We are giving long gap to the fast. Breakfast. What are the things are we are taking? Idli, dosa, buri, chapati. These kinds of food we take in the morning. Next one is lunch. Okay students, see the picture. Family members are sitting together and eat the food. We are enjoying to eat with our family. So, lunch, some of the children are, going to take in school. Very delicious food. Our Trinity Academy giving delicious food for lunch to all the students. Next, dinner. Dinner is very important to all human beings. We are, giving variety of light food. We should take light food only, we take it at night. Don't take heavy food. What is the meaning of heavy food? Heavy food is chicken, mutton and curd. Don't eat at night time. Why we don't eat at night time? Because of these foods should not digest at night time. We are not working at night time. We are taking rest. So, 3 meals per day. First one is breakfast, second one is lunch and third one is dinner. This is very important to all children and all human beings. Next is balanced diet. We can eat all kinds of nutrients at right time, at right level. These kinds of food is called balanced diet. That means bodybuilding food, productive food and energy giving food. These foods are called balanced diet. Next is good manners. Can you know that? Table manners. How do you eat the food? First one is eat meals regularly at right time. Second one is don't eat so much of food. And third one is don't eat junk food. Junk food makes our body obesity. What do you mean by obesity? Makes fat to our body. So, you should avoid junk food and drink plenty of water. What do you mean by plenty of water? Maximum, you are children, so you have to take 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Wash your hands before and after meals. Brush your teeth regularly. So, you do follow these kinds, really your life become happy. Okay children, can you understood all the thing? So, today again I remind the topic. First one is food classified into 3 types: bodybuilding food, energy giving food and productive food. And nutrients. Nutrients are here: carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats. That nutrients makes our body fit and healthy. Okay children, today, last time I conclude this. You should read the lessons thoroughly and I give you worksheet later. You should respond and you should write the worksheets through WhatsApp. Thank you students. Thank you once again.